little bit hinting Arjuna all the time that how he is present in this universe. Rasa Vamsa Kaunteya, Prabhasam Sasurya, like that he spoke. 7th chapter. Vyamisrevena Bhakyena, all this he spoke. Then he spoke that Aham Kraturaham Agya, Sudha Mahamausadam, he spoke. All that he spoke. Then he's hinting he did not understand Arjuna. Sometimes Guru hints, and disciples do just clarify all that hints. Katham vidyam aham yogin tvam sada parichandan, how will I meditate on you, please tell me. Sada, always, cases of habits of which atmosphere I can know, how can I think of you. Then, vistarenatmano yogam vibhutim chijanardana, bhuya katha truptihi srunatuna, I will never tire listening about you. Yes, so Madhur Madhurvita, we discuss that. Because your discussion is all amritam. Will please speak to me very nicely. Then Bhagavan what says? Hanta, yes, Hanta means yes. Hanta means yes, haan, main bolunga. Yes. Kathishyami, I'll tell you, Divya, Hyatmai, transcendental opulences, Pradhanyata, important is here. Because he is unlimited, so unlimited things cannot be spoken. So he says, Pradhanyata Kuru Sreshta Nastentu Vistarastami. Because he is unlimited, I will speak to you main ones. Aham Atma Gudakesha Sarabhuta Sayastata. I am seated in everyone's heart as super soul, among everybody, hidden inside. Aham Adincha Madhyamcha Bhutanam Ishwarupisan, all living entities, beginning and middle and end, I am. Adityanam Aham. Now 12 Adityas are there. Among 12 Adityas, one of them is called Vishnu. I think I discussed that some days ago. There is Madan Mohan temple, where Sanatana Goswami established his temple. That is called Dvadasaditya Tila. When Krishna jumped in the Yamuna to find that little ball and remove Kaliya from Yamuna, when Krishna came upon Kaliya, Radharani decided. Radharani thought, my dear friend must be feeling very cold, because once you take bath in Yamuna, you feel cold. When you take bath in Ganges, you come out from the Ganges, dip, you feel warm. But when you dip in Yamuna and come out, you feel cold. So Radharani knew that, and he saw long time he was fighting inside the Yamuna. So when he come out, then for Krishna will feel cold. So she ordered 12 Adityas. 12 Adityas came and stood on that hilltop and shined at one time, once. All of them, 12 of them. In one Aditya we are feeling hot and sweating, but there are 12 Adityas shining on Krishna, so Krishna don't feel hot. So there are 12 Adityas. Marichir Marutamasmi. Among all Marutas I am Marichi. Nakshatranam aham Sasi. I am the moon. Among all the stars, Vedanam Samvedosmi. Among all the Vedas, I am Samveda. Devanam Asmi Basva. All the Devas, I am Indra. Indriyanam Manaschasmi. Among Indriyas, I am Man. Mind. Bhutanam Asmi Chetana. Among all living entities, I am life air. Rudranam Sankarasthara. There are 11 Rudras we discussed. Rudra. Rudra, 11 forms of who? Sadasiva. Sadasiva is form. He got 4 arms, he got 5 heads, he got 3 eyes, each have mouth, each have 3 eyes, and they got 2 legs, he got a stomach, he got a tongue, he eats food, he has a wife. His name is Parvati. He got Sadasiva. He is a form. But there are 12 forms of him. They are called Rudras. Among that, Shankara is one, is the last one, Shankara. Shankara is cursed by his mother-in-law, Menaka, for getting worshipped as a linga. But Sadasiva is not cursed. He is not worshipped as a linga. So those who made up a song, even though it is Sanskrit, is not authorized. Rudranam Sankarasasmi, Vitteshu Yakhya Rakhyasam. I am the Vittesa, Yakhya or Rakhyasa. Yakhya means semi-demigods, Rakhyasa means demons. Among semi-demigods and demons, I am Kubera, Vasunam Pavakasasmi. Among all fires, I am Vasu. And then Meru Shikharinamaham, I am Meru among all the peaks. Purudhasam Mukhyamam, Vidhi Partha Brahaspati, among all priests. Purudhasam means priest. Priest means Brahmin. Brahmin. Among Brahmins, I am Brahaspati. Seninamaham Skandha. Among all the armies, I am army chiefs. I am Skandha. Skandha means 6 heads. Father has 5 heads. Mother has 1 head. That's why he has 6 heads. My goodness, look at this. It's so wonderful. I like that. Sarasamasmi Sagaramam, bodies of water. I am ocean. Maharshi Nam Programam, all sages. Maharshi means realized sages. Rishi means sages. Maharshi means realized sages. I am Bhrigu. And Giram, that one single word. I am Om. Yajnanam Japya Gosmi. Among all the holy activities, I am Japam. See? He did not say I am Swaha, sacrifice. Yajnanam Japaya Gosmi. Among all holy activities, among all holy sacrifices, among every spiritual activity, I am Japam. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. This is called Japam. Japam means with mala. Without mala is not called Japam, it is called Kirtanam. See? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. See? Hare Krishna. Some people say Hare Ram first. This is a problem. Only Pandits moved it. Vyasa Maharshi wrote this mantra as a sloka in Brahmanda Purana, Uttarakhanda, chapter 55. Text number I cannot calculate right now. But this Brahmanda Purana is there. Hare Krishna is first. How come you are chanting Hare Rama? Because of these Pandits. These scholars, they claim to be scholars. They are punished after their death. I am not against them, but they are misleading the mass of people who are innocent. They are chanting Hare Rama. First they are saying that Vyasa Maharshi must have smoken marijuana, ganja, bang. That's why his brain got lost. That's why he wrote Hare Krishna first. Krishna came later, Rama came first. We are better than Vyasa Maharshi. We tell you chant Hare Rama first. They printed Hare Rama first. If you look in Library of Congress, I have looked, I want to know real truth. So I looked in Library of Congress, Washington DC, all our books by Indians, exported original books, they have, white people have all the books. Real books are not in India. Only these books are all false. If Hare Rama is written in the books first, these are all false books. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. These Pandits, they said, Rama came first in Treta Yuga, Krishna came later on. Therefore, Krishna's name should be chanted after Rama's name. That is not correct. Krishna is the source of Rama. You cannot chant Karshet Sabji Sarvajivani Yasasa Krishna. Ramanti Yogina Anante Satyanande Chidatmani Iti Rama Pade Naso Param Brahma Iti Avidhiyate. Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Rama here is also Krishna. These Pandits don't know. Ramanti Yogina Anante Satyanande. That Krishna, because all these yogis meditate on him and they receive that transcendental pleasure in them, that's why that same Krishna is called Rama. Here Rama, not Dasarath Rama. In Mahamantra, Hare means Radharani, Krishna means all attractive, Rama means source of pleasure. Source of pleasure and all attractive. What is the difference? It's the same Krishna. Hare means Radha, energy of God, transcendental potency. See, Jagyanam, Sthavaranam, Himalaya, will discuss. Aswatha Sarvrukhyanam. Among all the Burkhyas, I am Aswatha. Aswatha is cursed. Only one day. 6 days a week is fine. Only Sunday. Sunday is cursed because Alakshmi comes. Alakshmi is Nivas. Krishna comes to see her. So that Aswatha, where, under which Lord Buddha said, Devi Srinam Narada, among all Devarsis, I am Narada, Gandharvanam Chitraratha, Siddhanam Kapil Muni. There are two kinds of Kapilas. Both of them spoke Sankhya philosophy. One is Mayavadi, another is devotee. Devotee Kapila is incarnation of Krishna, is in Bhagavatam. Uche Sarva Samaswanam Vidhi Mamam Mruto Bhavamam. Amrut se utpanna. Oh, born from nectar, Uche Sarva. Among all the horses, I am Uche Sarva. And among elephants, I am Airavata. And among human beings, I am the king. Ayudha, among all the weapons, I am Vajra. Among all the cows, I am Kamdhenu. And among process of progeny, I am Kandarpa, Kamadeva. And among all snakes, I am Vasuki. Snakes, Vasuki. Vasuki has 5 heads. Ananta Sasam Naganam, among all cobras, I am Ananta. Why his name is Ananta? Because it's Krishna's incarnation. Krishna wanted to sleep, take rest. Krishna never sleeps. Takes rest. He cannot take rest because he is unlimited. So he manifests himself as Ananta and he coils around and takes rest. Resting, not sleeping. God not necessarily sleep. We have to sleep because we need energy. So, Pitrunam Aryamam, and I am controllers, I am Yamaraj. Why he did not say Dharmaraj? Why he did not say? Because Sanyamanam. Sanyamanam means hell. King of hell is Yamaraj. Most people are walking there. There is waiting list. Here is very hard to find waiting list. Where? In heaven. And Krishna Loka, all door is empty, free. You can just walk in. They will send you palanquin. The palanquin, Nanda and Sunanda, 4 arms will come. Please sir, madam, sit there. We'll take you. With fold hands. Karabadha, fold hands they will come. Sakradacharita yena, harinityakhyaradayam, baddha parikarastena, mokshagavanam prati. Please come, we beg you to come, please come. You dead there, but it's the Atma is there. Listen, please come, and they will take you. The door is free, and heaven no waiting list. No waiting list there. It's all reserved. And this is total waiting list. People are standing on the line. When this guy dies, he goes immediately to hell. And Yamaraj says, hey, open his account. Open his account. Takes 3 days there. Soul stays 3 days there. First 3 days. So open his account. Open account. Yes, sir, it will take 9 days. How many days? 9 days. So soul is sent back to earth. So he watches his family. These people are not caring about me. They're just crying for me. Maybe my wife, I remember that. One American lady, young lady, her husband died. So she was crying very much. She loved him very much. Their guy died. So died. So they buried him in America. This is a process of burying. So he's buried. So when you bury, you pour some water, got wet. So until then you don't look at another man until it dried. So she put a fan there. And with the fan, she put a hand fan too. What is that? See, Bisan Karra, an electric fan. Bisan Karra. So the people, wow, such a great lady. She loved her husband so much. Look at this. Because they want immediately get a woman and man. Man gets woman, woman gets man. So this very quickly, because they want to dry quickly, so we put a fan. Fans, and she's also putting the fans and karra there. So everybody is watching and saying, wow, such a devotee, very great devotee. So one of them, smart man, went and asked, why you, the fan running, why you have to, I want to drive quickly so I can see another one. See, I want to drive quickly, this is taking time. That is the motivated world. Ananta Sasminaganam. Prahlad Sasminatyanam. Among all the Daityas, I am Prahlad. Why Prahlad? Because Prahlad became devotee. Kalakalayata I am the devouring death. Mruganam Mrugendraham. Benatech Pakhinam. Among all the animals, I am lion. And among the birds, I am Garuda. All this Rama Shastra. Rama Shastra. Rama means three. Lord Rama, Parashurama and Balarama. He is three. Jajanam Karaschasmi. And then Srutatamasmi Jannavi. Among all the rivers, I am Ganges. Jajanam Karaschasmi. Among aquatics, I am Makaram. Makara means two. Two names are Makara. One is shark, another is crocodile. So, shark usually. Sarganam ante adi antasya. Among all creation, I am beginning, middle and end. Adi anta, beginning and end, I am. Madhyam also. Or adhyatmik vidya vidyanam. Among all the education, I am spiritual education. Mata satru pita vairi yena valo na pathita. See? Mother is satru, father is enemy if the child is not educated in spiritual knowledge. Which father is educating? Which father is educating their child? I want to know. Dear children, and our ashram in Vrindavan, we are giving education. But these parents come, maybe our son will become a devotee, we don't want him. So before education is completed, they take it away. Their brains. Adhyatma Vidya Vidyanam. It's very important, this one. Mata Satru Pita Vairi Yena Valo Na Patita. Because they did not educate their child in spiritual knowledge, that's why they are all both enemies. The child will take them to hell, and child will go to hell, and their children will go to hell, his children will go to hell, because he thought, my father did not teach me this, my father kept me, I remember that. Dvanda means dual samasa, me I am, because both sides gives importance, Rama plus Krishna is Rama, Krishna, like that. Ahameva khe kalu, I am the devouring death, kalaha. Dhataham vishito mukhaha, mrityu sarvasyaham, udbhavascha bhavasyatam. I am the death which takes away everything. Kirti, Sri, Vak, Nari, Nam, Shri. This is important. Sometimes people are so stupid. They give no importance to ladies. Here Krishna gives importance to ladies. He says, Kirti, Sri, Vak. Kirti means dedication, Sri means quality of attraction. She attracts man. Kirti, dedicated, she is dedicated to man. Vak, she is very talkative, she talks a lot. Narina, among ladies. Smriti, memory. She can recollect so many things. And when the child is born, father don't know the date and timing, mother knows everything. Medha, she is intelligent, her equilibrium is good. Dhruti, she is dhairya, patience, and Khyama, she is forgiving. She got 5 qualities more than men. Man has only one quality. What is that one quality? Sabdakhe Paurusham Rushu, 7th chapter. I am Paurusha among men. I am Paurusha among men, and ladies are 5. Aren't you 4 times more? I am not for ladies, I am not for men. I am Guru for equal, both of them. But Krishna is giving this much importance to the ladies, and we think ladies are junior to us. Muslims, they don't give even voting rights. They don't try there. In Saudi Arabia, You know, drive ladies are given no importance. They cover from the top to bottom, even eyes are covered. They cover their ladies and they tell our ladies to remove the head. That's why North India covered everything. So they fought and they broke all the temples and they killed so many of them. Here we are free, South India, we told all the ladies, take your head out. So all the ladies, they have to remove because king's order. So these are 5 qualities of men, woman. Krishna is telling ladies are 4 times better than men. We are men, we are envious of ladies. No, we should not be envious. We have to thank them, you are better than us. But we tell them to give water. Why you did not bring tea? You are not following me. So like that. That is wrong. I'm not for you, don't worry. I'm not for you. I'm talking the truth.